You go into a store, you don't see pillows like this. This is 100% cotton on the outside and polyester fill on the inside. Well, we're going to show you inside the box. Your pillow. Now, this is an airtight bag. When you open this bag and allow it to lay on the side for a number of minutes to hours, it will expand. Grab a scissors and carefully open up the pillow. As it expands, let's get this out. There's your pillow. You can fluff it. It's soft. It's cushiony. It's not heavy. And allow it to fully open up. The good things about these pillows, they're not with feathers. So if you're allergic to feathers and you want something that is going to be soft and comfortable, this pillow or pillows may be right for you. So check online for the size you need for your bed. Put your pillowcase cover on and off you go. It is machine washable, so you can wash your pillow. Follow the instructions on the pillow pad, how to wash your pillow or online. It goes in the machine. When done, it comes out and goes in to the dryer on the correct warmth and temperature. When finished, we take out and place on your bed. Take your outdated pillows that you're not using out of the case. And place in your new pillow. From that to this in a matter of minutes. Your pillow. Is as soft as can be for allergies to somebody that needs a pillow for their stomach, their back, their head, their feet, wherever you want a pillow. These pillows are soft, comfortable, lightweight for your needs. I hope you enjoy your pillow.